Sam, good morning, Sam.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my dear friends. My patient, 70-year-old male Baman Gaikwad, farmer by occupation, residing at Ozan, Nasik, came with chief complaints of breathlessness since 20 years, cough since 1.5 to 2 years, fever since 5 to 6 days, history of present illness. Patient was apparently alright 20 years back. Then he developed breathlessness, which was grade 1. It progressed to grade 2 for 6 months, then grade 3 for 1 week, since 1 week, and now grade 4 since 2 days. Cough with expectoration since 1.5 to 2 years, yellowish white in color, non foul smelling, not acid postural variations, aggravated since 8 to 10 days. Low grade fever, intermittent in nature since 5 to 6 days. Past history of hypertension since 10 years on regular medication. Personal history of BD smoking since 20 years, 1 bundle per day. Smoking index is 500. Family history not significant. Treatment history of inhaler use since 15 years. On examination, patient is conscious, well oriented, according to time, place, and person. Average build is BMI is 19 and average is average. Afebrile, pulse 88 beats per minute, blood pressure 124 by 64 mmHg, respiratory rate 28 breath cycle per minute, SpO2 92% on room air. Clubbing grade 1%, no pallor, icterus, cyanosis, edema, and lymph. On inspection, hair still nail.
What is in short? What does the
Positive fibers.
positive funding and what is the clinical impression?
70-year-old male smoker, farmer by occupation, having resistance since 20 years, cough,
How much?
fever.
What is the age?
70 years.
70.
70-year-old male, farmer by occupation, breathlessness since 20 years, cough since 1.5 to 2 years, fever since 5 to 6 days. Past history of hypertension, history of BD smoking, and history of inhaler use. These are the positive findings.
From this history, what is your
What are the diseases you will encounter in a farm? At least the diseases which you will encounter in a farm.
The farmer's lung,
What is that?
disease of tuberculosis,
Farmer's lung is what type of disease it is? Okay. Next.
bagasosis, and
Bicinosis, sir.
bagasosis, sugarcane,
Hmm.
sugarcane,
Sugarcane causes
bagosis,
and other disease.
bicinosis.
What causes that? These are very simple things. If you don't know the disease name properly, then the examiner immediately understands you just have looked at that disease's name, bacosis, what is that? Now you are a chest physician, at least you should know what causes that disease. Bagosis, bicinosis. Next.
what is the HP?
Hereditary pneumonitis.
Herpes zoster.
Pneumonitis.
Okay.
Any other diseases which are common in farming? Which are common in farming? You should have a list. Okay, for
Okay. Next is what are the diseases which are caused by smoking?
Sir, first of all, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, then lung malignancy.
Hmm. Any ILD? which is
any
caused by-
RBID? What is RBID?
Sorry,
What is RBID?
RBI.
There are examples.
So these are the two diseases you know. At least 4 or 5 you should be knowing. Now you tell me, what are the diseases which are common in old age? Respiratory diseases, which are most particularly old age.
Tuberculosis, lung abscess, COPD, then malignancy.
Now, when you talk about this history, 70-year-old male
Yes.
with chronic breathlessness, and history of smoking. What do you think the patient has? And with the history of inhaler use in the past.
So obstructive, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
Yes, one,
Okay.
COPD. So, have the patient undergone any investigation in the past?
No sir, he's not done any investigation, but he's on inhaler prescribed by local practitioner since 15 years.
No X-ray, no BFT.
And X-ray was done, but he was not having X-ray.
So this is how you have to judge, and you should know. If I say COPD, apart from COPD, what else you can think of in this patient? Suppose inhaler given by like general practitioner gives inhaler for any disease. So suppose COPD is number one. What is the next? 70-year-old male, breathlessness, chronic breathlessness,
That's
palmar complications.
Interstitial and things.
Which
Type.
interstitial lung disease, so many diseases.
Smoking use type.
Which disease? Which disease?
Respiratory
RA.
the respiratory bronchiolitis, interstitial lung disease.
And I told him
Histiocytosis.
No cytosis.
histiocytosis.
Histiocytosis, yes sir. Minor histiocytosis.
That I think related to smoking. There are
Yes sir,
two
yes sir.
diseases.
It occurs in old days, which is smoking. There is a, it is cystic disease.
Histiocytosis is mostly associated with smoking.
Yes.
And some other disease which is not at all associated with smoking. Associated, not a positive result. Most likely it is associated with smoking. Okay. So, COPD and hypersensitive pneumonitis.
Yes.
And chronic breathlessness as far as the matters. It can present here. Pharma.
What are the types of hypersensitivity?
Acute, chronic, acute and chronic.
Only acute level. What are types?
Acute, subacute, chronic. And acute is, the difference is that this is acute, subacute, and chronic acute. Three types only.
The chronic will also present like this,
Yes.
which is progressive breathlessness, acute and breathlessness.
Names of interstitial lung diseases.
Sir, NSIP, UIP, NARBA-AD.
Is it the disease or it is the histological pattern? Yes, I can hear it.
So it is a type, histological pattern.
Histological pattern, yes, the pattern.
So disease is interstitial lung diseases. How do you classify interstitial lung disease? You have to read. Classification you can do as well.
Yes.
Sarcoidosis,
That is
hypersensitivity,
arthritis,
IPF, eosinophilic pneumonia. या 4-5 नाव तरी सांगायला पाहिजे. क्लासिफिकेशन आता चांगलं नाही अर्धा ॲटलीस्ट 5 नाव पटकन तोडण्यात यायला पाहिजे. पण आपण बंद पडलं असं नाही पाहिजे. यू शुड लगेच आयडी वाचत चाललं ते लक्षात राहत नाही नावं द्यायला पाहिजे सांगता पडतं. आणि अप्रोच
There are 7 to 8 different types.
Yes.
This connectivity shows the constitution, this is a psychosis, occupational, then due to the drugs, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
how the patient was using the inhaler.
Sir, he was not having inhaler at that time, but I asked, but what he said, he said, I used to put into the mouth and
Once,
I got
twice,
inspiration.
SOS,
No, sorry, sorry.
SOS.
Yes, sir.
And what was the frequency of use in last 1 month?
So last 1 month he was using, sir, he was using inhaler since 10 days regularly, BD, but in but before 10 days back he was not on inhaler.
He was using SOS, I know.
Yes, sir.
But how frequently, averagely, he was requiring? Say, suppose he was using SOS, but averagely in 15 days he used to take once.
Oh, sir,
Or
3
daily
to 4
he used to
times.
take once.
3 to 4 times in a month, sir.
In a month.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But last 10 days he was taking regularly.
Or you classify this the type of the breathlessness and it only requires 3 to 4 times per 15 days, right?
Yes.
Which classification it is COPD or any obstructive disease? Which classification?
Ma'am, group A and group A and B. As per Gold criteria 2021 group
but A, B both type get only one group will be. One group will be there. Huh? A and B, no, only one group. Huh?
MMRC.
MMRC किती आहे सर?
Which group?
So right now MMRC grade 4. Grade 4 right now.
ACPD.
Yes, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D.
असं
A, B, C, D, A, C, B, D.
MMRC grade, sir, MMRC grade 0 to 1 is A and C.
C and D मध्ये आहे ना? जर 4 म्हटलं तर
हाँ सर सर आता
B and D.
B आणि D मध्ये
B and
बोर्ड चेंज हुआ ना विकेट 0 to 1 एक्सप्रेशन हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इज A and B है. हाँ सर.
So then what is recent this classification? A, B, C, D, then
मैम
then.
MMRC grade 0 to 1.
No, this A, B, C, D also is classification is also changed now.
Yes ma'am.
COPD, A, B, C.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That I want to know.
Yes sir. That's what I am telling you. Group A, B, C, D.
You don't discuss among you. You will ask me.
MMRC grading 0 to 1 comes under A and C, and MMRC more than 2 comes under B and D, and 0 to 1 exacerbation but no hospitalization comes under A and B, and more than 1 equal to 1 or more than 2 hospitalization exacerbation leading to hospitalization comes under C and D.
I think that there is change in the B also, no?
Yes ma'am, that's what.
Huh?
And B has been changed. In last year B was coming under exacerbation, but this year they have removed.
क्या?
Ma'am, if the MRC grade is 0 to 1, that is the A and C. And if ASN is 0 to 1 but no hospitalization, that comes under B and D.
B and D.
Yes, ma'am.
No hospitalization.
No, ma'am. Exam, ma'am.
But exacerbation can be counted in A and B. There is no admission required in B.
Confusion. See क्या?
A, B, C, D. MMRC 0 to 1, A and C. MMRC more than 2, B and D. And then hospitalization, if there is no hospitalization but there is exacerbation up to 1 or 2, then it will be counted in A and B. And more than 2 exacerbation,
So then C and D.
more than 2 exacerbation requiring more than one hospitalization, then C and D.
Okay. हे बरोबर वाटतं.
So he goes into
A and C.
oh बघितलं. So the patient goes into which category?
C and D. He was hospitalization, but he was not very good.
C and D.
Yes.
More than 2 exacerbation.
Yes.
And
More
required.
than 1 equal to 1 or more than 2 equal to 1. And requires hospitalization.
C and D.
Yes, sir.
बरोबर. It should be clear in your mind.
Yes.
There should not be confusion. If you have confusion, then examiner also will.
On inspection, hair skin male normal, nasal cavity oral cavity normal, chest is balanced, trachea central, bridal chest movement equal, no scars and diagrams on bridal chest wall, effects impulse not visible, no drooping of shoulder.
Not a process of not visible at all. Apex head is not visible, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the causes of
Ma'am,
non-visible apex?
if there is hypertension lung area, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease
What are the causes?
due to shifting of retrograde shifting of heart. So in that case, we do not get effects impulse. And if there is excess fat, if there is bulging on left chest wall, like in due to any soft tissue proliferation or any mass, so in that case, we do not get effects.
And anyone else?
Pectus excavatum. Carinatum. Pectus carinatum.
Not visible apex.
Not visible pectus carinatum. There is the distance between.
Subcutaneous apex.
In pectus carinatum, madam, the distance between the sternum and the organs remains increased. Pigeon's chest, but the organs remain the same place, so there is no apex bead as such. impact breeze is felt over the because the distance is same. The organs when they were embryologically were placed correctly, but the distance accordingly of the sternum and the organs is increased, so that the apex beat at that point is not felt because of
It is
intercourse.
given in the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Which book?
Lindar ma'am and
Lindar.
Paula ma'am, yeah.
Any other more causes? Pericardial effusion
Okay.
and
Correct.
cardiac temporal and pleural effusion.
And the shifting of trachea or intestine to open side and
That apex is just below the rib.
nipple.
Rib के नीचे बोलो apex.
The versus space in
Just below the
builds the rib, so it gets ample.
So you will not see the apex. So
कभी excavator हो सकता है.
Widening of subcostal ankle, improving of intercostal muscle, external muscle respiration working. On palpation, or is
you
verified.
directly tell us the name of the sign of that.
Hoover sign.
Hoover sign is positive.
Yes, porous vertigo.
Without explaining everything. Huh?
Palpation, all spectral finding confirmed on palpation. Chest movement bilateral equal, trachea central, TVA bilateral equal, widening of intercostal space, apex impulse not appreciated, frequency distance 2 finger, chest circumference, diameter
What is
84
normal
centimeter.
glucose?
Ma'am, 3 finger.
Which patient finger to your finger?
Ma'am, patient finger.
Your finger.
Patient finger.
Patient finger.
Chest circumference 84 centimeter. On inspiration it is 87 centimeter. On expiration it is 83 centimeter. Anterior posterior by transverse diameter SQ is 0.81. On percussion, liver dullness.
Palpation, TVF you have told?
Yes, ma'am. Bilateral equal.
Bilateral equal.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Liver dullness, right 8 intercostal space midclavicular line. Cardiac dullness not appreciated. Cross space impending height. Then vital coding is post
You
resonant.
should know the rules of percussion. You can demo if you are sure now here that this today is no patient, but you should know, you should be well acquainted with doing the percussion.
Yes.
Huh? Of each tidal percussion, liver
Cross space.
percussion, the border, cardiac borders,
Yes.
huh? And Rob's area.
Cross space, direct percussion,
Huh?
cardiac dullness, liver dullness.
The Rob's area, what are the margins of Rob's area?
Yes.
What is normal structure of the Rob's area?
Yes, ma'am. Left lobe of the liver, spleen.
What is the normal organ which is present in the Rob's area?
Fundus of the stomach.
हाँ, जे विचार करो
Yes.
सांगायचं. Which is the node you can put there?
Tympanic node.
Tympanic. Where it is get obliterated?
Ma'am, in case of pleural effusion, in case of hyperinflation of the chest, it will get obliterated. In case of in diaphragmatic mass,
Okay. And you should know the percussion of Broca's triangle also.
sorry.
Broca's triangle.
Yes, ma'am. Broca's.
Huh? Where it is situated? Don't know. Left side, right side. Huh? Read that.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, Chaitanya, you, वकील वगैरह कोणाकडे तुमच्यापैकी वकील वगैरह तुझ्या क्लिनिकल कसं आहे तर वकील वगैरे घेऊन यायचं तर लायब्ररीचं असेल तर काढायचं पुढचं
On percussion, liver dullness, white.
any abnormality in your percussion
Yes, ma'am. There is hyperresonant node all over the chest.
or the chest.
Cardiac dullness not appreciated. Liver dullness is right edge intercostal space midclavicular line.
Okay, what are these all signs of which thing you are thinking when you are thinking by getting these signs, after getting these signs? If clinical examination, percussion, everything, bilateral, hyperresonant, liver dullness is low down.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
This then on auscultation, ma'am.
what it indicates? What are these signs of which disease?
Ma'am, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
Why these signs are present this? What is mechanism or why this occurs?
Ma'am, due to hyperinflation.
Hyperinflation.
Yes.
Hmm.
TS will get increased, visual volume will get
Okay,
increased.
next.
On auscultation, breast sound vital decrease and vital bronchi all over this one. Polyphonic bronchi all over this one. Force respiratory time more than
What is the definition
7
of
seconds.
bronchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Bronchi, define bronchi.
Now it is a musical sound that got an auscultation due to passage of air in
Okay, then what is the definition of bronchi?
Same, is the music same it is? He was right. He was right. The
He
musical
was
sound-
right, now you tell
Oh, sorry.
first.
Musical sound is not an auscultation due to the passage of the air in a narrow
Narrow bronchus,
narrow lumen.
lumen.
Narrow lumen.
Shifting of the
Shifting circle.
why? It is the passing of the air through the narrow
Narrow
lumen
lumen.
with different frequencies.
Right.
And these are the polyphony. What are types of bronchi?
monophonic bronchi and polyphonic bronchi.
Well, where you get monophony?
Ma'am, in case of foreign body aspiration, in case of bronchial tumor, then in case of any localized growth,
Local one bronchus is
vocal cord
only
vocal cord tumor.
that obstruction, then you get the monophonic. Otherwise, if asthma or
We get polyphonic bronchi.
Polyphonic bronchi. Huh? Okay.
So whenever you describe a sound, it has to have a character, either it's inspiratory or expiratory. And third is frequency and pitch. So remember these three words. So this is a polyphonic, expiratory adventitious sound of जे काही तुम्ही वाचत लिहिलं मला हाय पिच हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी लो पिच फुल स्टॉप
And define
Besides,
what
as a-
you should know the terminology definitely. Don't utter your words. In textbook, which words are given?
आता एवढं वेळेला लिझिंग असं टीप ऑफ द टर्म इन्फॉर्मेशन मी खूप वाचलंय पण त्याचं कन्साइज नाही केलेलं व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू टेल व्हीज येस सर रोंका येस सर दिस इज अन एक्सपायरेटरी साऊंड दिस इज एक्सपायरेटरी
Adventitious
साऊंड
sound.
adventitious sound and it is an high pitch ते काय तुमचं तेवढं
And
हात
bird.
ऐकत नाही.
And they are heard due to the passage of the air through the small or narrow
Narrow.
lumens.
Narrow
Full
area.
stop ही
Narrow.
definition पक्की पाहिजे ते कन्साइज इन्फॉर्मेशन
तसंच crepitationचे definition. तसंच soundचे definition.
Sir, it is adventitious sound that pointed to snap opening of the alveoli.
ग्रेविटेशन
Yes, sir. It is the adventitious sound that heard due to snap opening of the alveoli.
मी सांगितलं काय सांगितलं
The pitch.
YouTube सांगितलं असेल
Okay.
इट इज इन्स्पायरेटरी और एक्सपायरेटरी
It's correct.
हा किती महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे त्याच्याशिवाय तुम्ही डिफाईनच करू शकत नाही
There are only three types. Early
परत त्याला
inspiratory, mid inspiratory,
inspiratory.
late
विचारलं
inspiratory.
तेवढं तरी सांगता आलं पाहिजे.
Yes.
आणि कॅरेक्टर काय जे आहे हा? So हे तयार करा आणि एका वाक्यात बोलता आलं पाहिजे असं नुसतं सगळं माहिती आहे पण मला काहीच बोलता येत नाही असं नाही चाललं काय सांगायचं मी सांगितलं तीनच गोष्टी महत्वाच्या असतात फेज ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन
Respiration.
कॅरेक्टर कसं आहे त्याचं व्हॉट इट कॉजेस इन अ सिंगल लाईन आणि फुल स्टॉप आला पाहिजे
Okay, but next, what is your finding in auscultation?
And this sound decreases bilaterally. There is bilateral bronchi over the chest wall. Force respiratory time is 7
Decrease
seconds.
म्हणजे reduce म्हणायचं.
Reduce.
है ना?
Reduce at appropriate force.
Sounds less sounds.
Bilateral polyphonic bronchi over the chest wall.
Hmm?
Bilateral polyphonic bronchi over the chest wall.
The normal.
Force respiratory time 7 seconds.
Force expected. किती?
7 seconds.
What is normal?
6 seconds.
What is the by this how your examination? What are the positive points in your examination from
Yeah.
auscultation to?
And chest barrel set. Then
Second.
oversight positive.
Okay, third.
Exciting muscle respiration working.
Okay.
Then FX impulse not palpated. Atomic transverse diameter is increased. That is 0.81. Hyperresonant mode all over the chest wall. Cardiac rhythm is not appreciated. Auscultation this one is bilaterally and bronchi over the chest wall. Yes, the question.
There is nobody patient cardiac dullness is not appreciated
No, no, sir.
कसं सांगतो लेफ्ट हार्ट कार्डियक हार्ट
Borders,
is not appreciated
cardiac
Sir, जब नहीं है तो सर हमें तो लिखो cardiac is not appreciated. But if it is say the left heart border is appreciated, then we write left border. This area, right heart is the bigger.
so here what happened in your case
So left and both left and right not appreciated.
but what was the note over there
Sir, hyperresonant node.
Hyper, yes, hormonal.
What is your impression?
Most likely chronic affective pulmonary disease.
The other differential causes?
Sorry.
Differential other causes? Differential diagnosis? You should not
Yes, ma'am.
conflict one joint only.
याच्याने जो डायग्नोसिस तू हे करू शकतो दोन केस ऑफ किंवा केस ऑफ 70 year old father with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and admitted in acute exacerbation of COPD. किती ग्रेड
Mine is grade 4 as
बरोबर acute exacerbation झालं
Yes.
What are types of the COPD? Acute and stable.
Acute and stable.
And what you will do further? What you will do further?
And on the part we will X-ray, then we will do complete the picture. This is for investigation.
And that is good or not?
Yes. This is Sudamian. Sudamian is
Convert.
further sensitivity, further sensitivity for branching for KFC.
And
To see the any bacteria development.
what you will do? X-ray, CBC.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Sputum examination.
and-
And then I will treat the patient.
Directly you will treat the patient. What is the diagnostic sign for your diagnosis?
Ma'am, PFT will do, but right now patient is unstable, so we cannot do PFT.
What are bedside your PFTs?
Bedside. The
I have a-
breath holding
If
test.
then what you will do? You should do the ABC or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay.
Huh?
EBG I will do.
You are not treated patient of COPD?
No, ma'am. Patient.
Then, if he is in unstable, he is acute exacerbation.
Yes.
Huh? Good.
grades of exacerbation. I
This is something.
The MRC is 0 to 3
acute exacerbation of COPD.
Mild body stage. General vascular. But this patient is in acute exacerbation. How you will manage this patient? What treatment you will give?
I will start with antibiotic and I will give nebulizer with the.
This is the
And first of all, we will decide the group. If it is belongs to A, B, or C, then
I have told my
group wise.
Acute exacerbation कसं decide करतात? तो
He
these
is in the T only. A में B भी नहीं आएगा वो सर्वेशन एक सर्वेशन में आया है तो G में होगा ना. How you
First of all, I will start with lama.
What is
It
treatment
not
of
very
very
kind follow question याच्यावर.
हाँ.
तर पण जेव्हा प्रेझेंट केलं तेव्हाच आपल्याला ग्रुप काढावा ग्रुप बी मध्ये पण घेऊ शकतो
Why? See,
Group C मध्ये तर
more than
hospitalization.
2 moderate exacerbations or more than or equal to 1 leading to hospitalization. Now this particular patient we consider one first hospitalization in the hospital with category so MMRC more than 2. Where does it go? बरोबर की नाही? वाचलं ते?
More than
एक-
MMRC more than 2
ऍटलीस्ट ह्या वर्षी तरी तो डी मध्ये गेला एक एक्झर्बेशन रिक्वायरिंग हॉस्पिटलायझेशन झालं
सर पण तेव्हाच डी मधूनच डायग्नोसिस करावं लागेल
काय काय
डायग्नोसिस एक्यूट एक्झर्सिस सीओपीडी ग्रुप डी मधूनच होईल ना जेव्हा हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आलं.
पर से these criteria these are for a stable patient in acute exacerbation actually you don't have to apply this when a patient is in acute exacerbation you stabilize the patient treat the patient, let him go home, and then you assess how the patient behaves. And this particular exacerbation, this MMRC grade you don't count. You count only the hospitalization. Then you start with, say, you step down the medications from steroid, LABA, LAMA, LABA, LAMA,
ICS.
and ICS. From that you come to a little group C, then group B. That's how you decrease it. And wherever the patient is stable, then you classify for that year the patient is in this group. Next year the patient may go from B to C, depending upon the medications they require, depending upon the highest level of activity that he can do. You have to monitor it,
Assess it.
assess it regularly. So this is the highest level of activity, which is with proper medications is on this activity. Say 4 kilometers walking, 3 kilometers walking, and if it's stable on long-acting bronchodilator only with that highest activity, you say that my patient is in group B. You call the patient after 3 months, 2 years, patient will be in group B.
That only.
And then suddenly January को research कि नो अभी तो मेरा 3 किलोमीटर का अभी 2 किलोमीटर अदम लग रहा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है मेरे को सर, जो मेरा बेस्ट था, that is not achieved. Then you say I will add LAMA to you, and if he maintains his proper the best level of exercise with LAMA, then you say the patient is in group C, whatever. So that's how you have to assess regular. But when in exacerbation, only exacerbation, no category,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
Patient come with acute exacerbation, then you take the treatment of acute exacerbation of COPD. But
And even if you want to apply, then you can apply 2 months back. What was the category of the patient depending upon the history, right? So 2 months back, when he was stable patient, at that particular time, if he has a MMRC grade say less than 2 and no hospitalization required, so he may be in a grade A, only group A, he was in a group A, but now we are doing exacerbation.
and CAT score
But
is
we
less
just
than
when
10.
the exacerbation is being treated, like if we say the exacerbation is treated within 7 days, so we can take him on A and then ask again.
No, not directly A.
3 months.
3 months, stay down little is like little not so abruptly. 1 month, 2 months, assess the situation, which is not mentioned in the books. But depending upon the patient's medical condition, you try to step down your medications. Then B or C, whatever, after 2 months, whatever the medications they require, then you assess that this particular patient belongs to this group.
Okay,
तर
then
ट्रीटमेंट जर सांगितलं तर मग आपण ट्रीटमेंट
Acute exacerbation is treatment. That doesn't fit into
that
ABCD.
don't fit in the ABCD. आता just सांगितलं ना. Patient come with acute exacerbation. How you will
Manage this patient.
patient? आणि असे patient ला group देणार नाही.
And the whatever you come, that is also not correct. What will you do if the patient is breathless in your hospital or in your OPD, in your casualty? What will you order to the sister? First start this, first start that. What will you order?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर टू गिव minimum corticosteroids and hydrocortisone.
No.
No. Nebulization.
The primary treatment is nebulization. Why? What will you order?
To relieve the bronchospasm.
Oxygen should be used. The first oxygen should be used.
Yes, suppose the saturation is 98 you mentioned.
You have to see the saturation. You have to do the ABC immediately.
The treatment pathways, first if
Oxygen.
somebody asks you what is the emergency, start your nebulization first.
Nebulization.
And not in just telling, whenever the patient comes in your hospital also, first breathless patient, take him to the ICU ward or whatever casualty ward, start nebulization and oxygen simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
If the but COPD patient don't hurry to start the oxygen if the saturation is 90 to 93.
Yes.
If it is less than say 90,
Why this? We have to avoid the oxygen. Why we should expect the 100 saturation.